Hello everyone, thank you for tuning to my YouTube channel, W.D.T High Performance. Today I got a carbon fiber tail light cover for the 2010 Dodge Challenger. Look how beautiful this is. And today I will be installing it on my tail light. So we're going to go from there. And here we go. Alright, so with this, I'm going to use a little bit of Loctite. Use my wrench. And a socket, size 7. So yeah, we're going to install it right now. So you got the little grooves here, here. So everything lines up. So I'll show you guys that. But first, I'll remove these on here. So since you see me remove one, I'm going to jump ahead. Now, since we got it all off, now we're going to install it on here. So if I can do this one-handed. Alright, I got it in here. Get it in the latch. Now, I gotta put it through here. Just add a little drop of Loctite. And you don't want to over tighten this. So, here we go. So we run into this little slight problem. Got to do a little modification here so it doesn't really line up with the holes here on the side here. Like this one needs to be kind of drilled out a little bit. Same here as this one, and so on. So this needs to be opened up just a little bit bigger. So you do got to do some modifications, but it's not hard. You can see it kind of does kind of line up. So we will jump ahead. Already done. We finally got it on here. So I did run into a little bit of problems. The screws were not long enough, but I had to file a little bit and get different nuts. So you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get some M4, and it will work on the back of here. We didn't use the washers, but we do got them on here. I got it setting flush, here. And the reason why I did that is because I don't want to crack it or do anything like that, and I don't want to constantly, you know, shave too much off or anything like that. So that's what I did that got this to work. I use Loctite, and I'll show you the Loctite. Here is the Loctite I use, and it should not be going anywhere. But yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to install this. Well, actually my wife and I are going to do it together. And I called the company. I said if I need help with anything, give them a call. First time I heard about this company. If you want to pause the video, here's their phone number, and there's their website right there. So yeah, first time installing a carbon fiber on anything. So everyone, stay tuned for part 2, and thank you for watching, and take care and God bless. And please join us on Facebook. Our group is called W.D.T Toys. Would love you guys to join us. And another thing is too, if you haven't subscribed to my channel just yet, please subscribe to my dad's YouTube channel, W.D.T High Performance, and I look for you guys' feedback. And yeah, the thing I'm looking for was the Dodge Challenger. I'm thinking about lowering it, make it sit lower, and cleaning the garage up and start working on the engine. So yeah, that is coming really soon. So yeah, all right, you all take care, peace, and God bless. Bye.